Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to change your phone ringtone to a song on ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra. So the first step is to just finding settings, and now find sound and vibration and go to should be here, phone ringtone right here, and choose the sim that you want the calls that are coming to be. For example, one song for this sim, second, for example, choose this one. These are the default songs, you can choose from them, and if you want to choose your own that you have downloaded, open and click this plus icon that was right here, and you'll be able to find it here. And if not, go to file manager and dig through the internal storage of the phone to find your song. And I believe we're done. If you consider this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.